Good morning students, I am your maths teacher and this is class 11th maths. Today I will be teaching you chapter 1 and name of the chapter is sets. Now what are sets? Set is a well-defined collection of objects. Now what does it mean? It means that collection of those objects which are well defined will be considered as a set. Now what does well defined means here? Well defined means that definition, or you can say collection, should not vary. Definition or collection should not vary. So it means that the collection should remain same no matter whosoever will collect it. Then only then that collection will be considered as a set. Now we will take some examples to understand it more clearly. Now first is collection of natural numbers less than 3. Natural numbers less than 3. Now this particular collection will be taken as a set. And why it is taken as a set? Because no matter whosoever will collect it, the collection will always include the number 1 and 2. So that's why this will be considered as a set. Now second example, collection of 3 interesting books. Now this particular collection will not be considered a set. Why will it not be considered as a set? Because this collection will vary from person to person, because different person will have different choices, different interests. So that's why this collection will not remain same for every person. So it will not be considered as a set. Now there are some important points about set. Now we will do set representation. How we represent a set? We represent the set by capital letters. Okay, capital letters, say it be A, B, C, D, etc. And how we write the elements? Elements means the objects which are there in that particular set. So we will represent the elements in these curly braces. These are what? These are curly braces, or you can say curly brackets. Okay. So let's take one example. This only, natural numbers less than 3. So how we will represent it? We will represent it by a capital letter, say it be A, then equal to, and how we will represent the elements? Elements are what? 1 and 2, which are natural numbers less than 3. So we will represent it in these curly braces. Elements are 1 and 2, and we will differentiate these elements with the help of a comma. So this is how we represent a set. Okay, understood till here? Thank you.